Looking to master your balance and have some outdoor fun? Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll reveal the best slacklines for all skill levels, perfect for beginners, fitness enthusiasts, and seasoned slackliners. From top-notch durability to ease of setup, we've found the ultimate options for every adventurer. Let's get started and find your ideal slackline. Number 1. Flybold 57 feet slackline kit for kids and adults. Flybold knew they had to stand out to compete with the top beginner slacklines on the market, so they added some unique features you're sure to love. It's no surprise this kit is highly rated, especially when you compare the cost to the value it delivers. Let's dive into what makes the Flybold Slackline kit special. First, it includes an extra 7 feet of high-quality webbing, giving you more room to walk and practice. To put it into perspective, that's roughly the height of a giant human, a significant bonus compared to standard options. The slackline supports up to 300 pounds and sags less than cheaper alternatives, ensuring a sturdier and more reliable experience. Safety and durability are also key priorities. The Flybold ratchet, made from high-grade steel, is built to last but can be uncomfortable to walk or fall on. To address this, the kit includes protective ratchet covers to shield your feet and enhance safety. It also features a well-engineered ratchet specifically for the training line. The main slackline is 2 inches wide for easier balance, while the training line is 1 inch wide to help improve precision. With these thoughtful additions, the Flybold Slackline kit offers an exceptional combination of performance, safety, and value. Number 2. Trailblaze 60 feet slackline kit with tree protectors. The Trailblaze Slackline kit for beginners offers everything you need to get started and more, making it one of the most complete packages available on the market today. You'll receive 60 feet of slackline, including the end loops, along with a training rope of the same length to hang above the main slackline. This allows you to lean on it as you find your balance and build confidence. The main line is rated to support up to 330 pounds, while the ratchet is impressively capable of handling up to 5 tons. One standout feature of the Trailblaze kit is its ratchet loop, which stretches up to 8 feet, an uncommon feature for beginner kits. Ensuring you can securely fasten the line even to the widest trees. To make your experience even better, the kit includes a strong carry bag and 2 tree pads to protect bark from damage. Despite all these additions, the entire package remains light enough to be easily carried in a backpack. When choosing the right slackline, it's important to consider how you'll use it, and once you do, you can confidently select the materials that suit your slacklining needs. Pros: versatile for different experience levels, includes a training line, easy to install, 1-year warranty. Cons: some reviews say the tree protectors don't hold up. Number 3. ZenMonkey 60 feet slackline kit with overhead training line. The ZenMonkey Slackline kit offers one of the most comprehensive entry-level packages, thanks to its simple, step-by-step instructions that make it easy to get started in the sport. The kit includes a 52-foot slackline with multi-weave webbing and reinforced loops for durability. It also features ratchets rated to support up to 5 tons, ensuring safe and reliable use. To help you find your balance as a beginner, the kit includes a training line, complete with its own ratchet, as well as an arm trainer to hold onto for added stability. The ratchet straps are an impressive 8 feet long, among the longest available, allowing you to securely fasten the line around extra-wide trees for added confidence. Made from carbon steel, the ratchets are built for strength and durability. Installation and takedown are quick and easy, especially once you've practiced a bit. The ZenMonkey kit might be the last slackline set you ever need to buy. The 8-foot-long ratchet straps accommodate large trees, and the 5-foot tree protectors, complete with built-in guide straps, ensure a simple and efficient setup. With the overhead training line and arm trainer, beginners can learn the proper slackline techniques from day one, making this kit an ideal choice for those just starting out. Number 4. Exposed Gear 60-foot perfect slackline kit. If you're looking for a slackline kit tailored to the needs and abilities of older kids, this set from Exposed Gear is an excellent choice. It includes a challenging 60-foot slackline, along with a 60-foot training line and arm trainers to help build upper body strength and improve balance. The multi-weave webbing provides the perfect amount of stretch, while the smooth, top-quality ratchet ensures easy tensioning. The slackline is designed to accommodate both kids and most adults, with a weight capacity of over 300 pounds. The 8-foot ratchet straps are long enough to securely fasten the line around larger trees, ensuring stability and safety. This kit includes everything you need to set up: the slackline and training line, an ERGO ratchet, ratchet protector, arm trainer, 2 tree guards, a carrying bag for portability, and full instructions, since mastering slacklining takes practice, especially for adults and teens aiming for a full-body workout. This Falcon kit is a great option for anyone ready to take their skills to the next level. Pros: slackline plus a training line for upper body work, challenging 60-foot length, high-quality ratchet for smooth tensioning. Cons: instructions are lacking. Number 5. Slackers 50 feet portable slackline classic set. If you're feeling uncertain about walking on a 2-inch line above the ground, the Wave Walker might be the perfect solution. While it's priced higher than the first 2 products reviewed by Groom Plus Style, this cost includes an overhead training line that can be set up using the same ratchet tensioning system as the main 2-inch slackline. The review team was impressed with the webbing that comes with this Slackers kit. It's bouncier than most beginner to intermediate slacklines, allowing for a more adventurous experience as you walk. While the Wave Walker is only 50 feet long and best suited for low-to-the-ground use, it's great for practicing drops and small jumps. We wouldn't recommend attempting big air tricks, but the slackline's flexibility allows you to try some fun moves without it being too tight. For beginners, the 1-inch hand line provides additional support for simple walks, helping you get accustomed to the feel of slacklining. The ratchet system operates smoothly, the line quality is excellent, and setup is straightforward. This kit is a solid fitness option for both adults and kids, offering a complete, easy-to-use package for anyone looking to try slacklining.